Here is a guided meditation practice of self-inquiry, often referred to as "Who am I?" A meditative technique to realize that you are not the body or the mind, but pure universal consciousness. This practice is best done in a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit comfortably with your spine straight, or lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Begin by closing your eyes and taking a few deep, slow breaths. Allow your body to relax with each exhale. First, bring your attention to your physical body. Notice your feet, your legs, your torso, your arms, your hands, your neck, and your head. Feel the sensations of your body, the weight, the touch of your clothes, the temperature of the air on your skin. Now ask yourself, am I this body? Observe your immediate response. You might feel sensations, but are you only these sensations? The body is something you have, something you experience. Can you say, I am my hand? No, you say, this is my hand. If it is mine, then who is the I that possesses it? Realize that the body is an object of your perception, constantly changing, growing, aging. The I that perceives it remains. Therefore, you are not the body. Let this understanding settle. Now, shift your attention to your senses. Notice, what are you hearing right now? Sounds, near and far. Notice what you might be smelling, tasting, or feeling through touch. Ask yourself, am I my senses? Your senses are tools through which you experience the world. They provide information. Can you say, I am seeing, or I am hearing? You are the one using the faculty of sight, the faculty of hearing. Just as you are not the hand that touches, you are not the eyes that see or the ears that hear. These are instruments. The I that experiences through the senses is distinct from the senses themselves. Therefore, you are not the senses. Let this understanding deepen. Now, bring your awareness to your mind. Notice the thoughts that arise. Memories, plans, judgments, ideas. Don't try to stop them. Just observe them as they come and go, like clouds in the sky. Notice any emotions that might be present. Happiness, sadness, anger, agitation, peace. Feel them, but don't get caught up in them. Ask yourself, am I this mind? Am I these thoughts? Am I these emotions? Just as you observe your body and your senses, you can observe your thoughts and emotions. If you can observe them, then you must be separate from them. The observer cannot be the observed. Thoughts change, emotions fluctuate. The I that witnessed these changes remains constant. You are not your thoughts, for thoughts pass. You are not your emotions, for emotions are temporary states. Therefore, you are not the mind. Let this understanding expand. If you are not the body, not the senses, and not the mind, thoughts, and emotions, then who are you? What remains? What remains is the pure awareness, the silent witness, the consciousness that is aware of the body, aware of the senses, and aware of the mind. This pure awareness is unchanging, ever present, and pervades everything. It is the I that is always there, always in your waking state, your dreaming state, and in your deep sleep. It is not born, it does not die, and is not limited by space or time. This is your true nature, pure, universal consciousness. It is the same consciousness that emanates all beings. Rest in this awareness. Feel its spaciousness, its stillness, its peace. There is no other. There is only this one undivided consciousness. Remain in this state of pure awareness for as long as you wish. When you are ready, gently bring your attention back to your breath and slowly open your eyes. Carry this understanding with you into your day. This who am I inquiry is a foundational practice, a meditation, a reflection to understand the true nature of who you are. It's not about intellectual understanding alone, but direct experience. Regular practice helps to gradually dismantle the identification with the limited self, the body-mind complex, and reveal the boundless true self, that which you are.